If you have earned a Salesforce certification and want to showcase it professionally, adding it to your LinkedIn profile is a great step. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to add your Salesforce certificate to LinkedIn step by step, even if you have zero experience. This helps you highlight your skills, improve your profile, and attract better career opportunities. To get started, log into your LinkedIn account and go to your profile page. Once you are on your profile, scroll down until you find the Licenses and Certifications section. If you do not see this section, click on the Add Profile section button and then choose Licenses and Certifications from the list. Next, click on the Add icon in that section. A form will appear where you need to enter details about your Salesforce certification. In the Name field, enter the exact name of your certification, such as Salesforce Administrator or Salesforce Developer. In the Issuing Organization field, type Salesforce. After that, enter the issue date of your certification. If your certification has an expiration date, you can add that as well, or leave it unchecked if it does not expire. You will also find an option to add a credential ID and credential URL. If you have a verification link from Salesforce, paste it in the credential URL field so others can verify your certification. Once all the details are filled in, click on Save. Your certification will now appear on your LinkedIn profile under the Licenses and Certifications section. This makes your profile more credible and increases your visibility to recruiters. To make your profile even stronger, you can also add related skills and mention your certification in your headline or summary section. This helps your profile stand out in searches. In short, adding a Salesforce certificate to LinkedIn involves going to your profile, adding the certification section, entering the details, and saving it for visibility. Now that you know the steps, go ahead and add your certification to showcase your achievements and boost your professional presence. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.